Are you tired of workplace conflicts affecting your team's productivity? Watch this video containing a training module on conflict resolution, and build a powerhouse of collaboration and success. Equip your team with the ultimate conflict resolution arsenal through this presentation. Unleash the secrets of distinguishing healthy from unhealthy conflict responses with expert advice and case studies. Prepare for an eye-catching slideshow that unveils the do's and don'ts of conflict resolution. Download this training module from the link to build a happy workforce. You will also discover a 6-step conflict resolution process. Each of these steps is explained in detail in this comprehensive presentation. From the power of effective communication to the art of emotional intelligence, stress management, empathy, and impartiality, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. Get ready to unleash your full potential and become a conflict resolution champion. This slide unveils recommendations to avoid conflicts from workplace stress. From tracking stressors to harnessing the power of mindfulness and regular exercise, empower your employees with the tools they need to conquer stress and thrive in the face of challenges. This training module is your one-stop solution to developing a happy workplace. Download it from the given link. This comprehensive resource will expand your understanding, providing a visual roadmap to navigate the complexities of human emotions. The culture of empathy it creates within your team is a welcome bonus. Need more? Discover engaging graphics and visuals that simplify meditation and negotiation processes, making it easy for you to grasp and apply these valuable skills. Leverage this feature-packed presentation to create a conflict-free workplace. Download now to get started. For more such unique templates and presentations, visit www.slideteam.net.